One person might love throwing around ideas in a group, they're outgoing, take charge types, while another prefers digging into details, being organized and introverted. When faced with a tough task, some folks naturally step up to lead, really taking charge, while others prefer working together to find solutions, being more easygoing. These different approaches, driven by personality, are what make our interactions with others so interesting. But what is exactly personality? Personality refers to the unique combination of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that make each person distinct. It's like a blueprint that shapes how we perceive the world and interact with it. Personality can be understood through two primary frameworks, DISC and OCEAN. DISC helps us discover the unique ways people communicate and solve problems. By understanding DISC styles, we can build stronger teams and improve collaboration. DISC stands for 4 different personality dimensions: dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. Think of it like a pie chart, with each slice representing a unique set of superpowers. An ocean? You might be thinking of vast blue waters, but in this case, it represents 5 core personality traits that define who we are. By understanding the ocean model, we can navigate the depths of human nature and appreciate the rich tapestry of personalities around us. OCEAN stands for openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Just like a vibrant ocean, each trait brings its own unique wave of characteristics, creating a diverse and ever-changing personality landscape. There's so much more to explore on this fascinating topic. So if this piqued your interest, feel free to explore our channel for more insights on this fascinating subject.